Chat with Power BI, monitoring and analyzing AI conversations. Segment 1, Introduction. Welcome to this overview of Chat with Power BI, a powerful tool for monitoring, tracking, and navigating conversations across large language models. This innovative solution aggregates all your chat interactions with AI assistants, including Chat GPT and Azure AI deployments, into a single, enterprise-ready Power BI dataset. Segment 2, Key Features. Let's explore the key features of Chat with Power BI. 1. Custom GPT integration connects directly to your Azure deployed model, leverages Chat GPT features like web browsing and code interpretation, segments Azure deployed models based on Cosmos databases. 2. Seamless data flow, aggregates conversation history from Azure models and Chat GPT, provides semantic transformations of conversational data. 3. Sentiment analysis and key phrases, identifies high-sentiment user questions, facilitates continuous model improvement through targeted feedback. 4. Enhanced inference, aligns AI responses with corporate culture and guidelines, improves relevance in email composition and understanding of user guides. 5. Adoption score analytics, uncovers insights into user success with AI prompts, identifies areas for improvement in AI assistance. Segment 3, Practical Applications. Now, let's dive into the practical applications of Chat with Power BI. Conversation categorization automatically categorizes chats based on content, enables quick insight discovery through dashboard visualization, sentiment scoring, analyzes user satisfaction with AI interactions, helps prioritize areas for model improvement, flexible reporting, utilizes Power BI's Q&A features for custom insights, allows for easy export of conversation data in various formats, CSV, HTML, XML. Segment 4, Deployment and Integration. Let's look at the deployment and integration aspects. Quick setup, simple configuration with Cosmos database details, rapid deployment with provided license key hybrid model support, combines Azure AI and Chat GPT OpenAI data, utilizes custom GPT actions for enhanced functionality. Segment 5, Conclusion. Chat with Power BI offers unprecedented visibility into your AI conversations, empowering your team to optimize AI interactions and drive continuous improvement in your language models. Experience the power of comprehensive AI conversation analytics with Chat with Power BI.